List of 100 words used in multiple parts of speech. 1. Run. Noun, I went for a run in the morning. Verb, she can run very fast. 2. Play. Noun, we saw a play at the theater. Verb, children love to play outside. 3. Watch. Noun, my watch is not working. Verb, I watch TV every night. 4. Light. Noun, the light is too bright. Verb, please light the lamp. Adjective, this bag is very light. 5. Work. Noun, I have a lot of work today. Verb, she works in an office. 6. Cook. Noun, he is a good cook. Verb, I cook dinner every evening. 7. Smile. Noun, her smile is beautiful. Verb, he always smiles at me. 8. Dance. Noun, the dance performance was amazing. Verb, they dance every weekend. 9. Help. Noun, thank you for your help. Verb, can you help me, please? 10. Love. Noun, love is powerful. Verb, I love my parents. 11. Change. Noun, we need a change in the system. Verb, let's change the topic. 12. Walk. Noun, let's go for a walk. Verb, I walk every morning. 13. Talk. Noun, he gave a short talk. Verb, they talked for hours. 14. Fight. Noun, there was a fight between two boys. Verb, they always fight over silly things. 15. Look. Noun, he gave me a strange look. Verb, look at that bird. 16. Shout. Noun, I heard a shout from the crowd. Verb, don't shout at me. 17. Call. Noun, I got a call from my friend. Verb, please call me later. 18. Book. Noun, this is my favorite book. Verb, I will book a cab. 19. Jump. Noun, he made a big jump. Verb, the cat jumps on the bed. 20. Hope. Noun, never lose hope. Verb, I hope you understand. 21. Ring. Noun, she wore a diamond ring. Verb, please ring the bell. 22. Break. Noun, let's take a short break. Verb, be careful not to break the glass. 23. Watch. Noun, his watch stopped working. Verb, I love to watch documentaries. 24. Race. Noun, the race was exciting. Verb, they will race against each other. 25. End. Noun, this is the end of the story. Verb, the movie will end soon. 26. Face. Noun, she has a beautiful face. Verb, we have to face the truth. 27, mark. Noun, he got full marks in English. Verb, mark your answers carefully. 28, rock. Noun, the rock is heavy. Verb, the cradle rocks gently. 29, show. Noun, we watched a comedy show. Verb, please show me your homework. 30, train. Noun, the train is late. Verb, I want to train for a marathon. 31, print. Noun, the print is clear. Verb, can you print this document? 32, farm. Noun, he lives on a farm. Verb, they farm rice and wheat. 33, nail. Noun, she broke a nail. Verb, please nail this board to the wall. 34, hit. Noun, the song is a big hit. Verb, don't hit anyone. 35, pass. Noun, he showed me his bus pass. Verb, please pass the salt. 36, park. Noun, we played in the park. Verb, please park the car here. 37, point. Noun, that's a good point. Verb, don't point at people. 38, fish. Noun, I saw a colorful fish. Verb, let's go fishing tomorrow. 39, present. Noun, I got a birthday present. Verb, she will present her ideas. Adjective, all students were present. 40, cover. Noun, the book cover is torn. Verb, please cover your books. 41, brush. Noun, I need a new brush for painting. Verb, please brush your teeth. 42, clean. Adjective, the room is very clean. Verb, I will clean the kitchen. 43, dream. Noun, my dream is to travel the world. Verb, I often dream at night. 44, fear. Noun, he has a fear of heights. Verb, many fear failure. 45, guess. Noun, that was a lucky guess. Verb, can you guess the answer? 46, hammer. Noun, he hit the nail with a hammer. Verb, don't hammer so hard. 47, hunt. Noun, the treasure hunt was fun. Verb, lions hunt at night. 48, jam. Noun, there's a traffic jam on the road. Verb, don't jam the lock. 49, kick. Noun, he gave the ball a strong kick. Verb, don't kick the door. 50, kiss. Noun, she gave him a gentle kiss. Verb, they kissed goodbye. 51, lead. Noun, he took the lead in the race. Verb, she will lead the team. 52, line. Noun, please stand in a line. Verb, line up at the door. 53, load. Noun, the truck carried a heavy load. Verb, let's load the boxes. 54, match. Noun, I watched a cricket match. Verb, your shirt doesn't match your pants. 55, measure. Noun, take a measure of success. Verb, let's measure the table. 56, meet. Noun, the school arranged a parent-teacher meet. Verb, let's meet at 5 p.m. 57, miss. Noun, Miss Sharma is our teacher. Verb, I miss my school days. 58, paint. Noun, the paint is still wet. Verb, he will paint the walls blue. 59, pat. Noun, she gave him a gentle pat on the back. Verb, please pat the baby to sleep. 60, roll. Noun, I ate a spring roll. Verb, let's roll the mat. 61, rock. Noun, he threw a rock into the river. Verb, the boat rocked gently on the waves. 62, rope. Noun, he tied it with a rope. Verb, they roped the boxes together. 63, seat. Noun, please take your seat. Verb, the usher seated the guests. 64, signal. Noun, the traffic signal turned red. Verb, he signaled me to stop. 65, smoke. Noun, there's smoke coming from the chimney. Verb, he doesn't smoke cigarettes. 66, sound. Noun, I heard a strange sound. Verb, you sound tired. Adjective, she gave a sound answer. 67, stand. Noun, he has a fruit stand in the market. Verb, please stand up. 68, start. Noun, it was a good start. Verb, let's start the meeting. 69, stop. Noun, this is the next bus stop. Verb, please stop talking. 70, study. Noun, I need to do a study on birds. Verb, I study English every day. 71, test. Noun, we had a math test today. Verb, the doctor will test your eyes. 72, trip. Noun, we went on a school trip. Verb, don't trip on the stairs. 73, type. Noun, what type of music do you like? Verb, I can type very fast. 74, use. Noun, this tool has many uses. Verb, I use my phone for work. 75, visit. Noun, I paid a visit to my grandmother. Verb, I will visit her tomorrow. 76. Walk. Noun, let's go for a walk. Verb, I walk every morning. 77. Waste. Noun, don't throw waste on the road. Verb, don't waste your time. 78. Watch. Noun, this watch is expensive. Verb, I watch YouTube videos every day. 79. Whisper. Noun, I heard a soft whisper. Verb, he whispered in her ear. 80. Wish. Noun, make a wish before blowing the candle. Verb, I wish you all the best. 81. Win. Noun, his team had a great win. Verb, I hope we win the match. 82. Work. Noun, I have too much work today. Verb, they work very hard. 83. Yawn. Noun, that was a big yawn. Verb, she always yawns in class. 84. Signal. Noun, the red signal means stop. Verb, he signaled me to come forward. 85. Order. Noun, I placed an order online. Verb, the teacher ordered them to sit down. 86. Balance. Noun, my bank balance is low. Verb, he balanced the books on his head. 87. Bat. Noun, he hit the ball with a bat. Verb, he will bat in the next over. 88. Bowl. Noun, she ate soup from a bowl. Verb, he will bowl the next delivery. 89. Chain. Noun, she wore a gold chain. Verb, the dogs were chained together. 90. Cheer. Noun, a loud cheer came from the crowd. Verb, they cheered for their team. 91. Control. Noun, he lost control of the car. Verb, you must control your anger. 92. Dance. Noun, the dance performance was amazing. Verb, let's dance together. 93. Delay. Noun, the flight had a long delay. Verb, don't delay the work. 94. Design. Noun, I love the design of your dress. Verb, can you design a poster for me? 95. Dress. Noun, she wore a beautiful dress. Verb, please dress properly. 96. End. Noun, it's not the end yet. Verb, the show will end soon. 97. Fall. Noun, he had a bad fall. Verb, don't fall on the stairs. 98. Farm. Noun, they live on a farm. Verb, they farm wheat and corn. 99. Finish. Noun, it was a perfect finish. Verb, please finish your homework. 100. Gift. Noun, I gave her a birthday gift. Verb, They gifted me a pen.